Minimal, clean, distraction-free. That's what both iAWriter and Ulysses promise. Writers swear by them. So the real question is, in 2026, which one actually makes you a better writer? I spent time comparing iAWriter and Ulysses side by side, not just features, but how they actually feel to use day after day. Let's break it down. When people look for a writing app, they usually want the same thing: focus, speed, and a workflow that doesn't fight them. Apps like Google Docs or Word are powerful but noisy. Too many buttons, too many menus. That's why iAWriter and Ulysses exist. They remove everything except the writing, but they do it in very different ways. Let's start with iAWriter. iAWriter is built around absolute minimalism. When you open it, there's almost nothing on screen, just text. Its biggest strength is focus mode. The sentence you're writing stays highlighted, while everything else fades out. This is incredibly effective if you struggle with attention or overthinking. iAWriter also uses Markdown, but very lightly. You don't need to be technical. Headings, bold text, lists, it just works. Another big advantage is cross-platform support. iAWriter runs on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android. That makes it perfect if you switch devices often. However, this minimalism comes at a cost. There's no deep organization system, no smart folders, no project management tools. iAWriter is amazing for writing, but not for managing lots of content. Now, let's talk about Ulysses. Ulysses is not just a writing app. It's a writing system. From the moment you open it, you notice the difference. There are libraries, folders, groups, filters, and goals. Ulysses is designed for long-form writers, authors, bloggers. With lots of articles, everything is organized automatically. You can track word counts, deadlines, and writing goals per project. Ulysses also uses Markdown, but in a more structured way. It feels powerful, but still clean. Another major strength is exporting. Ulysses can export directly to PDF, Word, HTML, ePub. That's a huge win for authors and publishers. But there's a big downside. Ulysses is Apple only. No Windows. No Android. And it's subscription-based. You pay every year whether you use it or not. So let's compare them directly. Writing experience: iAWriter. Ultra clean. Zero distraction. Ulysses. Clean, but more structured. If you want silence and focus, gives iAWriter wins. If you want control and planning, gives Ulysses wins. Organization: iAWriter. Basic file-based system: Ulysses. Advanced libraries and smart filters for large projects: Ulysses is far superior. Platforms: iAWriter. Windows, Mac, iOS. Android: Ulysses. Apple ecosystem only. This alone is a deal breaker for many users. Pricing: iAWriter, one-time purchase per platform. Ulysses. Ongoing subscription. If you hate subscriptions, iAWriter is the clear winner. So, which one is better in 2026? Here's the honest answer: choose iAWriter. If you want pure focus, you write short to medium content. You use multiple devices or platforms, you want to pay once and forget about it, choose Ulysses. If you write long-form content or books, you manage many projects. You live inside the Apple ecosystem, you value organization over simplicity, neither app is objectively better. They're built for different types of writers. Final verdict in 2026. iAWriter is the best minimalist writing tool, while Ulysses is the best structured writing system. The right choice depends entirely on how you write, not how others write. If this comparison helped you choose the right tool, hit like, subscribe, and share it with another writer who's still undecided. And comment below, are you Team iAWriter or Team Ulysses in 2026? See you in the next one.